wish I was dead. I wish I was dead.
Ich bin okay. Just
I wish
listen.
I was dead. I wish I was
Wake up every day and it just feels repetitive. Think I need to chill. I think I need a sedative. I think depression's hitting me. I think it's finally setting in. Lifted to my feet and settling just like.
What's up, this is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Dead and Cold on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. You're going to need 4 different chords. The first chord you need is F, and we'll just play it like 1, 3, 3. Second chord is a B flat chord. So you just move that shape up and you play 1, 3, 3, muting the top string with the tip of your pointer right here. So, and then a G chord, but just power chords as well. So 3, 5, 5. So the first 3 are F to B flat and then to G. The next chord is a D minor. It's gonna be a little trickier, but so that's open, 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 2, 3, 1. Open, 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 2, 3, 1. It sounds like that. Open, 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 2, 3, 1. Strumming pattern will be down, up, down, rest, down, up, down.
Wake up every day and it just feels repetitive. Think I need to chill. I think I need a sedative. I think depression's hitting me. I think it's finally setting in. Lifted to my feet and